Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 31st, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So I wanted to start off on the daily because it doesn't surprise me that yesterday gold just kept on pushing down. My analysis for weeks now has been that this is an A and this is a B, and we are now in a downtrend for a wave C of wave Y, which I think at least minimum will take out this low. And I think there's actually a pretty good chance it could even take out the $3,000 area possibly. So it definitely doesn't surprise me that it kept on going down. I was hoping for a bigger pullback in order to go short, but that's okay. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, this is yesterday. I was hoping it was going to go up and grab these highs because that's where I was going to look to sort it, like a wave one and a wave two. The fact that it never broke structure, this is lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, tells me that this is still all one trend. So right now, there's no end of a trend. The most recent structure is right here. If it goes up and takes out that high, then I would definitely start looking for logs again. But more than likely, even if it does take out that high, it's just going to be a crutch in like a wave two. But as of right now, I would definitely be looking at this move up as likely just a pullback to this last wave down. So if it goes up to one of these Fibonacci levels, makes a big reversal to the downside, then I definitely would start recommending shorts. So like I said, keep an eye on your fib levels. This move up right here is very likely a pullback to this move down unless it takes out these highs right here. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpeculator.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.